Good morning, folks. Today I'm going to run through some different tools. Tool of the day. Today is a deburrer. This tool is used for taking the sharp edges off aluminium plate after it's been guillotined, and it can leave a nasty cut on you if you're not careful with it. And the deburrer will remove that burr. Okay, here's how it works. Place the job firmly down, pressing solidly, and it takes off that burr. You do it a couple of times. The lighter you go, the less it takes off. And it leaves a beautiful edge there. And of course, we'll just run around the whole thing. And of course, we have to do the other side as well. And there we have it. All 8 sides done, 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners done. And it's you can't cut yourself on it anymore, whereas before you'd cut yourself no problem. I've got a few of them to do. I'll see if I can get a slow-mo for you as well. And the deburrer can also be used in pipe to get that sharp edge off the inside of the pipe there, and the deburrer around the inside. All right. And to do the outside of the pipe, I can use a different tool. This tool may not work as well on this one, but it takes off the burr around the outside. It also can be used differently on the inside, but we have different purposes for this one. This is used for plastic and plumbing. And this goes up the inside of this. There's a burr on the inside of the plastic hose or plastic pipe. You can take that off there on the inside. Nice burr. And then outside, cleans it up very nicely. And there you have it. 2 different styles of deburrers. 2 different purposes. And here is another style of deburrer as well. Okay, so this one is for when holes are being drilled in material. All right, and you leave it, you get a little burr on the back edge there. It's not a bad one, but it's still, nevertheless, it's still a burr. Okay, there's a couple of ways we can remove this burr. One is with a deburring tool, and that just runs in there, takes off that little edge, and then other side, and it leaves a nice little chamfer on the inside there. Very clean, both sides. All right. Another way that you can do that, if you don't have that tool, if you don't have this deburring tool, you can also use an oversized drill bit and do it by hand. And turn it over. And do it by hand. You do get a slightly different result, but it still deburrs it and does a good job. Right, so there's 3 different types of deburring devices for all different things, just to take all sharp edges off everything that you work with, because you just don't want to cut yourself.